Prep test 90 game 4, we have G, H, J, L, M, and O going in 8 spaces. Rule 1, whoever performs first also performs fifth. Rule 2, whoever performs second also performs seventh. Rule 3, M and O can't be on consecutive days. Rule 4, at least once after H is M directly after. Could be more than one. And finally, J is before the first H. Go on to inferences and floaters. We have 2 floaters, G and L. They can still trigger these rules, but they're floaters in the sense that they don't have any rules specifically attached to them. Inferences are simply the consequences and interaction of rules. What are the consequences of these rules and how do they interact? Well, first, the consequence is that H can't be first because H has a leader. Therefore, if H can't be first, H can't be fifth. Let's think about our repeaters and who they can be. We know each piece has to be used. So let's just say J and H are gonna be our repeaters. Can we have another repeater? Can we have like M here and M here? No, right? Because then we'd be losing a piece. We'd have J, H, M, and we'd have G, L, and O for 2 spaces. So that wouldn't work, only 2 repeaters. Can we have 1 piece going in 1 and 2? Doesn't work, right? We'd have 4 spaces for 5 pieces. Doesn't work. The rules also mean that H and M can only be 1. Let's just try to make H and M be more than once. But if we do that, we'd have multiple repeaters. Doesn't work. Should we do worlds? We could do worlds off H and M. Is it prudent to do so? I think yes. There's gonna be a lot of worlds, but these worlds are gonna be quick, right? They're gonna fill in fast. We're gonna be able to eliminate rules. They're gonna give us a lot of information for these could be trues we have, and any other type of questions. Let's build worlds. World 1, we're gonna have H and M 2 and 3. H can't be first, so the first place we can start with H is 2 and 3. H is second, H is seventh. This also triggers the rule that J has to be before H. J is first and fifth. O cannot go here. O can only be here or here with a G or L, and another G or L has to go here. These 2 pieces can flip. Other than that, this world is finished. Okay, just going down the line, the next world would be HM34. In this world, we know J has to be 1 or 2, because J has to be before the first H. We know O can't be fifth, therefore O can't be 1. O can't be 1. O could be 2, but O can't be 1. We know we have G, L, O, and J. These are the pieces we still have. 1 equals 5. Not as much filled in, but we do know O can't go here. O can go here, 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 it looks like. We don't know yet. We're just gonna have to play this one by ear. World 3, HM4, 5. If M is 5, M has to be first. We know J has to be 2 or 3, but we also know O can't go here. O2 doesn't work. O7 doesn't work. O6 doesn't work. O could be 8 or third, right? We have G, L, J before H1, J before our first H, and O. World 4, you would think it would be HM5, 6, can't work. H can't be 5, so this has to be HM6, 7. M is 7, M is second. J before H1, O can't be here. O can't be 1, O can't be third, right? Can't be 1 or third. Can't be fifth. So 8, so 1, 3, 8, and 5 don't work. O has to be here. We have G, L, and J. Whoever's first is also going to be fifth. Finally, HM7, 8. HM7, 8, H is second, J is first, therefore J is fifth. O, G, L. O is going to be a floater in this game. O can go wherever he wants. Doesn't matter. Let's go to the questions. Question 18 is a which is acceptable question. We can just take one rule at a time and eliminate answer choices that violate the rule. Answer choice B doesn't have H and M touching anywhere. Answer choice C has M and O touching, doesn't work. Answer choice D does not have a J before the first H. And answer choice E, 2 does not equal 7. A doesn't violate any rule. A is our answer. Question 19, what must be false? On these, it's always good to go in with a predictor. We know that some things that have to be false. We have only one person repeating H and M more than once. H is first or H is fifth. Answer choice D, H is fifth. That's the answer. Question 20, if O is on day 3, what could be true? Okay, let's try to find worlds where O could be on day 3. Doesn't work in this world. Doesn't work in this world. Possibly works in this world. Can't work in this world. Possibly works in this world. So we're going to go ahead and put O here. O here. What could be true? Looks like in this world, G and L can flip. In this world, J automatically has to be second. J 7th. G, L can flip. Okay, so a couple different answers. We're just going to find one that works. A, G equals 2. Doesn't work in either world. B, H equals 2. Works in this world. Probably our answer. C, L equals 1. Doesn't work in either world. D, L equals 7. J is 7 in this world. H is 7 in this world. Doesn't work. E, M equals 7. Again, doesn't work in either world. B is our answer. Question 21, if H is 2, what could be true? Let's find a world where H is 2. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. So we're in these two worlds. What could be true? Okay. Looks like we have a couple different answers. A lot of potential things. G is 1. Doesn't work in either world. B, J is 3. Doesn't work in either world. C, L is 8. Works here. Probably our answer. D, M is 4. Doesn't work here. Doesn't work in either world. E, O is 5. Nope. No. Doesn't work. C is our answer. Question 22. If M is second, what must be true? Not in this world, this world, this world. We're in this world. Not in this world. M is second, O has to be fourth. Automatically. Answer choice E. Let's write on our game board. See how quick we go with worlds? Always try to find worlds. Question 23. If L is 7 and O is 8, what must be true? Doesn't work here, doesn't work here, doesn't work here. We're in two worlds. Let's make L 7 and 8. If L is 7, L also has to be second. J has to be here. J has to be here. So J has to be here. Looks like in either world, G has to be 6. Oh, look. It's answer choice A.